His tough talk has brought change to Japan's central bank and pushed the yen to 33-month lows. But Prime Minister Shinzo Abe hasn't been able to lift the country out of recession yet. The world's third biggest economy shrank for a third straight quarter in the last 3 months of 2012, defying hopes for mild growth. Economists like Takuji Okubo of Japan Macro Advisors say the disappointing numbers will give Abe more justification for his aggressive pro-growth policies.
I think it's actually a good result for Prime Minister Abe because it was a negative growth, so Prime Minister Abe can stress that Japan needs more stimulus. Japan needs more growth, public spending to boost the growth. And Japanese economy continued to be in deflation. That's all the reason for Prime Minister Abe to keep pushing the BOJ to do something to change the deflation into inflation. I am fairly positive that we will see a positive growth in the first quarter. When you look at the monthly indicators, industrial production is clearly starting to expand from November on. And when you look at the trade data, in December export grew, and it is quite likely that this expansion continued into January. So I'm very confident that we will see a positive growth in Q1. I think it's too early to judge that. For the consumption to sustainably expand, you need the income to expand. And the data in the GDP actually shows that the income is not expanding. So Q4 GDP, private consumption was strong, but unless income or wages start growing, it's difficult to expect private consumption to keep growing. Well, Japanese companies are known to be slow, so I think we have to give corporate managers at least a few months to decide to change their capital expenditure plan. But I do think it will change, and we are already starting to see some indication that capital expenditure is starting to expand. I think it's too early to expect yen weakness to have an impact on export already. So it will, among economists, we tend to say it will take at least half a year, maybe up to a year, for the full effect of the currency depreciation to show in the statistics. But we will be seeing the effect of a weak yen in the mid 2013 to the second half of 2013.